Hello guys, how's doing? I hope everything is well. So in this video we are going to talk about class 10th mathematics chapter number 8 similar triangles. So in this we are going to see all the fill in the blanks question here. So let's start and see that one. So this video is especially designed for the Andhra and Telangana. So according to the recommendation they can watch. Okay na? So see this here. We will see the answer sheet also, so don't worry, we will see the answer sheet also. Okay, then see this one. Alright, till 24 to 30 is it here. Then here it is the answer sheet 1 to the 25 is it. Okay, so I hope is it clear for you and you don't have any kinds of doubt regarding this one. So if it is clear, so we will meet another video. Jai Hind.